Hello folks, today we're out here at 7 acres and I wanted to share with you, I'm trying to get off this decking here, and these guys are building a big huge deck all the way around here. You can see actually this whole deck wraps around this whole building. But what I wanted to talk to you about is how they've gotten this set up. They've done a great job, and I wanted to share with you because this is how it should be done. But you see we've got stairs that are coming off of here. And they're coming down here to switch back over, and actually the stairs will come back that way. And you could tell because you see where the landings are going to be coming down. And what they've done is that they've put these headers across here. You can see four of these 2x10s, and you got there, and then you got over here. So this is where they're going to be coming down landing, which is fabulous and great idea. They've double band boarded everything, so it's a little bit, great, really great for holding it, and a code in several municipalities. But this is where our angles come, and this is how they did it. And this is really what I want to share, because I get asked a lot about this. But you see I got it coming in here, and then it'll go that way, right? So what they do is they put these boards like this, and they put it on edge. Because actually it's more than carrying the load. They're just putting these in here for nailers. The center board in here for a nailer, and these extras are right there for the support. Great job. Looks really good. They got the electrical conduit all going out here already. Fabulous work. Well, anyway, folks, I wanted to share this is how these corners are done on a deck. This is how kind of stairways that are coming down onto the deck, how they're supposed to look. First class. Great job. This is a great carpenter company. Anyway, this is 7 acres. This is a ongoing Airbnb. You will definitely gotta come out here when this gets done and rent this from these folks. This is really a cool place out here. Anyway, thanks for watching our videos, folks. Hit like, subscribe. We greatly appreciate you. God bless.